Welcome to our Canva tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of image manipulation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials of transforming your images using Canva. Let's get started. First, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose your preferred dimensions, or select a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use a custom size of 1280 x 720 pixels. Now go to Elements and type Eiffel Tower in search bar, then choose your favorite background. For this tutorial, I choose this and remove its background. Then, go to Elements once again, type Sky, and choose And Set as Background. Now go to Elements and type Fish, then select it. Remove its background and adjust it to your preference. Now make a duplicate of the fish. Then go to Layers and adjust the position of each fish to your preference. Bingo! Here is the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with your friends and family. Stay connected with us for more Canva tips and tricks.